Oh my God, yung Polite Kidnapper. I posted this a really, really long time ago. Kasi siya parang reprise version siya of an older skit na nag-flop. Tapos iniba ko lang ng konti. Sabi ko baka mag-flop ulit. But it ended up, parang I think a lot of people still recognize me from that skit. Yan. I almost didn't post that. Walang script, more on idea first. Anong mangyayari sa skit. Tapos, i-acting ko na. Kung ano yung makuha ko sa acting, yung mga voice-over na yung mag-a-adjust. Very ganun lang siya. Kasi yung mga stereotypes na naririnig ko about content creators, most of the time they're true. Kaya ayoko. Kaya parang least favorite pero totoo naman eh. Cloud chasers. I mean, that's the job. You need to chase the cloud. But pag sinabi ko kasing content creator ako, ay, so cloud chaser ka. It hurts, but on some level, yes. Does that make sense?
Yes.
It makes sense. What keeps me going, let's just say, in my 36 years of living in this world, I never really found a job or something that I can do that I am appreciated for, but at the same time, I love doing. So, what keeps me going is there's nowhere else. Ba't ako nag-English? English naman, diba? Parang wala na ako ibang pupuntahan. Content creator lang, parang feeling ko yung sobrang bagay sa akin. Maybe in the future, I discover something new. But right now, I've never been so fulfilled by anything I had done. And advice sa mga young content creators is when you go online and you see a content creator na you really like, sabi, ay gusto ko maging ganyan. So subconsciously, you try to copy them, the way they edit their videos, the way they talk. That's not bad per se, but you really have to look into your individuality. Kung paano ka lumaki throughout your life. Ikaw lang ang meron yan, and that's your ammunition! That's your ammunition to stand out. So, wala lang. Maganda na makilala ka because you stayed true to who you are. Hi, I'm Fonzie, and I'm on the radar.